What's up, guys? Soon I'll try to make VR content. So yeah, wish me luck on that. Yeah. So it's really fun. Also, I finished this. I think I already told you in my other video, but it's cringy. But still, shout out to one of my friends' YouTube channels. Kind of forgot their name, but my YouTube channel, I think it starts with like Sophia or something. No, not Sophia. Silly name. Sniffle VR. Yeah, so make sure to just subscribe to her. She's really good. So yeah. So yeah. Please subscribe if you want to. Don't have to, but like my girl, that content. Bye. Or VR content. Bye.